The Two Parrots. There once was a man named Kaluram who lived by the forest. Kaluram earned money by catching and selling small birds and animals to people as pets. One day, Kaluram went into the forest and caught two talking parrots. That evening, he went into town to sell the two parrots, hoping to earn a lot of money. Kaluram sold the first parrot to a butcher who kills animals and makes them into meat. Kaluram sold his other parrot to a kind and wise Haridasa who always sang the name of God. All day long, the first parrot heard the butcher yell, "Get the cow here, kill it! Cut up this goat, kill it! Cut it, chop it!" In the Haridasa's house, lots of people came to listen to divine songs. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The parrot's life was filled with songs of God. Some months later, Kaluram returned to the town to see how the parrots were doing. Kaluram came to the butcher's house and went near the bird he had sold. To Kaluram's loving hello, the parrot only replied, "Kill him, get him, and chop off his head." This depressed and scared Kaluram. Kaluram next visited the house of the Haridasa. There he heard a sweet voice call out, "Welcome, welcome, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare." To his surprise, it was the second parrot speaking these sweet words. Kaluram next visited the house of the Haridasa. There he heard a sweet voice call out, "Well." The second parrot had learned the sweet name of the Lord by living closely with the Haridasa.